Welcome to the Professional Certification Program for the Revit MEP course. This program focuses on industry-ready BIM skills, enabling you to master mechanical, electrical, and plumbing design and coordination using industry-standard Revit workflows. This intensive, project-based training covers BIM fundamentals and end-to-end Revit MEP workflows. You will master BIM concepts, MEP system modeling, coordination, clash detection, documentation, and real-world project coordination. Why learn Revit MEP? BIM is highly in demand globally for large-scale projects. Master clash-free delivery. Collaborate using global workflows like BIM 360 and target roles such as BIM Modeler and MEP Coordinator. Course highlights include a premier curriculum designed by IIT Patna, practical hands-on labs, and capstone projects for portfolio building. You will master clash detection using Navisworks and receive placement support. Module 1 covers BIM and Revit essentials. You will learn BIM and MEP concepts, Revit interface and navigation, project setup, defining levels and grids, linking in imports, and establishing parameters and standards. Module 2 focuses on mechanical, or HVAC, modeling, master duct systems and sizing, strategic placement of mechanical equipment, and air terminals. You will also learn system logic, analysis, and discipline coordination. Module 3 covers electrical modeling, where you will design comprehensive systems. Key topics include lighting layout, power systems, configuring panels and circuits, routing cable trays and conduits, and generating documentation. Module 4 addresses plumbing and firefighting. You will model water supply and drainage systems, place and connect plumbing fixtures, and design fire protection systems. Focus will also be on routing strategies and coordination. Module 5 is dedicated to MEP coordination and clash detection. Learn interdisciplinary coordination, setting up Navisworks clash tests, reviewing and tracking issues, and mastering collaboration and model health checks, including BIM 360 basics. Module 6 covers documentation, detailing, and visualization. You will create professional sheets and title blocks, generate schedules and legends, calculate bills of quantities, and create 2D details, 3D visualizations, and project walkthroughs. This program helps you build your professional brand. Capstone projects involve designing complete MEP systems for commercial buildings, producing professional documentation sets, and developing a personal digital portfolio reviewed by industry experts. Upon completion, you will achieve mastery in several key areas. You will be able to model all MEP systems, coordinate disciplines effectively with Navisworks, produce construction-ready documentation, and create professional project visualizations. Our structured learning pathway covers 6 steps: fundamentals, modeling, coordination, Navisworks clash detection, collaboration, and basic automation using Dynamo. This ensures full competency in end-to-end BIM execution cycles. The program prepares you for target roles like BIM MEP Engineer, HVAC Designer, Electrical BIM Modeler, Plumbing Designer, and BIM Coordinator, offering high growth potential in your career. Your transformation journey takes you from a beginner with limited skills to a job-ready MEP professional. Through intensive hands-on training using real project data sets, you gain an industry-ready portfolio and placement support. Start your career and master Revit MEP with industry experts. Transform into a job-ready BIM professional with a curriculum designed by IIT Patna and 100% placement assistance. Enroll now. Limited seats are available.